The following video pretends to demonstrate how to configure your company on the ERP toolbar. First, we start by going to the Setup menu. Then on Company Foundation, we can fill all the data of our company by selecting Modify. Here, we add our name, address, country, and include VATs if you want. On the module setup, you can choose which module serves your company the best, like the Customer Relationship Management (CRM) and the Product Management (PM). On the Product Management, you can go to the Setup Products to activate the package features that allows the bill of materials. To add new products, go to the Products menu, click on New Product. There you can choose for sale and not for purchase if it is a finished product, and the opposite if it is a raw material. You can also add the product specification and its price or tax rate. To create the bill of materials, we start by creating a virtual product as shown before. There you can go to the package product and add all its raw materials like is shown in the video, and each quantity for the products. Confirm by selecting add and then saving. To add your customers, go to the third party menu. Click on New Customer, then select it as a customer and fulfill all its data. Do the same for a new supplier, clicking on New Supplier and marking it as not a customer and as a supplier. All your added customers and suppliers will be saved in the list of customers and suppliers. Go to the Bank Cash menu and select New Financial Account. Fill all the correspondent data, like the initial balance, and then save. You can see all transactions of the account on the list and also the final balance. To add supplier orders, go to the Commercial menu and select New Order. Choose the correct supplier and add their reference code. Create a draft and choose the raw material to buy and its quantity. Then just validate and approve, choosing the warehouse where you wish to send the raw material. Then, to create an invoice, fill the supplier code, the date, and create a draft. Confirm if all the data is correct and validate. To do the payment, select it, choose the date, payment month and amount, and confirm it. To change the level of stock, we need to go to a raw material, click on stock, then correct stock. Choose the warehouse and add the corresponding quantity. Then go to a virtual product and do the same, but this time deleting the stock. Finally, go to the final product and do the same, adding the stock. Confirm if it's all in order.